Jollibee. Jollibee. Yun, dadance si Jollibee, dadance.
Maraming salamat, Johnny, for wonderful performance. At you know po, dadako po tayo sa nag-blow na ating birthday.
Gabi na daw.
Pero bago niyo po i-blow ang kanyang kandila at iniimbitahan ko po bawat isa na tumayo. Tayo po tayo. Ikatulog ang tumayo. Tayo po tayong lahat at iniimbitan ko po si Mami tsaka si Alexandra. Again, tayo po ay kakantang sa ating birthday para po sa ating birthday celebrant. Para si Ate. Let's sing Jolly Birthday!
Jolly birthday.
Jolly birthday to you!
Jolly birthday to you.
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Sabay-sabay po natin isigaw, Jolly birthday, Alexandra, and 1, 2, 3, Jolly! And now let's count 1, 2, and let's all shout, go, ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Alright. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Pwede na po tayo nakita. At syempre tayo dumako sa ating pikonan.
No. Okay.
Pakinggan po natin ang mensahe ng kanyang mommy. Ang message ni Mommy for her daughter. And sa pag-isip po sa natin ngayon. Go on.
Happy birthday. Magtatamaling magsamba every Sunday. And and laging makikinig kayo na birthday tatay. I love you so much. Everything that I do is because of you. I love you. Happy birthday. Ayun, sa lahat naman po ng pumunta sa birthday ni Alexandra, maraming salamat sa pagbigay mo ng time and effort and gifts na namin.
Yes. Thank you so much for that, Nancy. At syempre, on behalf of John D. Magic Mo for you, happy birthday once again to Ate Alexandra. And thank you for choosing John D. Magic Molly to celebrate your 7th birthday here. Thank you so much. And